so how to properly remove and install the cam chain tensioner. So first of all, what you're going to have to do is just grab a 19mm socket and loosen up the big bolt here. This is 19mm. This is when the tensioner is still in the engine. Okay, so crack this loose. Okay, when it's loose, and you can turn it by hand, then simply remove the tensioner. And you're doing that by removing those two bolts here. There we go, so tensioner comes out. Now, to correctly reinstall this tensioner, what you're doing is you're basically removing that bolt here, and be careful because it's spring loaded, so keep it in your hand firmly so it doesn't shoot out. There we go. So now you take this out and you'll see there's going to be a spring and this plunger and the washer. So keep that on the side. And now to push this plunger down, you can't simply push on it because it's locked by this mechanism here. So look what I'm doing now. I'm going to push on it here at the bottom. See? And the plunger goes down. So now I'm going to be putting this all back on. Look what's going to happen. See? It pushes the plunger out, and then when you screw it all in, it's going to keep the plunger in the extended position. So if you remove your tensioner, okay, and remove that spring, you're going to notice there's been some oil in there. And if you lose any oil, if you don't, then it's okay. But if you do, just simply pour a tiny amount. Look. Okay, just a few drops of oil. Now install those two little bolts. And now we can reinstall the spring of the bolt. Did you hear that sound? The tensioner has been pushed by the spring. The plunger has been pushed by the spring. Okay, now simply screw it all in.